COVID-19 has devastated the tourism sector, but as the country looks to recover in a new normal, for the tourism sector, it means boutique hotels could have an advantage. At least that's what the Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett thinks. We have more in this week's edition of the Business Review.
When COVID-19 brought tourist arrivals to a sudden stop in the late winter season last year, reopening the sector in the balmy summer took a decidedly strong push at locals.
We know that in a pandemic, in a recession, the first response always in recovery is your locals.
Most would have taken vacations overseas, but with travel restrictions closing that avenue and the discounted rates at local properties denied the chance of targeting foreigners, the narrative changed.
And we have, in the process, developed a very strong staycation program, which I think we started out in about May of this year. And we started to promote, local staycation and work with the hotels with special rates, for our locals. And it has gone very well. As a matter of fact, in summer, we had up to 50% occupancy in some hotels from Jamaicans. And all the holidays that we've had, Jamaicans have literally flocked the hotels.
So far, even with foreign visitors returning, the tourism minister insists no case of COVID has been recorded in the hotels.
No, there's no hiding, absolutely no hiding.
The push now is to gradually increase arrivals to keep things humming. Mr. Bartlett said that means discounts may continue, though he refused to call the lower rates that, preferring the term value proposition.
You never sell your product for less than its value. You add value, yes. And to the extent that that added value may be translated into a more affordable arrangement, then that's a good strategy.
But what about smaller properties? He said many are hurting, with occupancy levels hovering around the 20% mark.
But there's something that's emerging that's going to see, I believe, some of our smaller properties doing much better. Because the new traveler is now very serious about density and about physical distancing and about family and where family goes. And the smaller properties, the boutiques, are going to come in for a better arrangement in this immediate post-COVID period and with COVID period. Sharing economy, Airbnb type activities are going to feature very strong in this recovery that's happening across the globe. So I would encourage that our smaller team continue to build and to be COVID compliant.